Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things Heartland. Today, I'm going to share with you some exciting news and updates about the upcoming season 17 of our favorite family drama. If you're a fan of Heartland, you don't want to miss this video, so stay tuned until the end. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. Heartland is one of the longest running and most beloved Canadian series of all time. It follows the lives and adventures of the Bartlett Fleming family on their ranch in Alberta, Canada. The show has been on the air since 2007 and has won numerous awards and accolades over the years. It has also gained a loyal fan base around the world who love the characters, the stories, and the horses. But what can we expect from season 17 of Heartland? Well, according to the official announcement from production of season 17 started on May 8, 2023. The first episode of season 17 will be the 250th episode of the series one. Can you believe it? That's an amazing milestone for any show, let alone a Canadian one. The cast and crew have expressed their gratitude and excitement for being part of this incredible journey. The announcement also gave us a very brief preview of what fans can expect this season. It said that season 17 is all about embracing the unexpected. It's about new experiences and taking the path less traveled. The Bartlett Fleming family will find themselves excited for the future and ready to embrace new adventures, challenges, and relationships. But no matter how much things may change, they will continue to fight for what they believe in while staying rooted in the land that has been in their family for generations. That sounds very promising and intriguing, don't you think? I wonder what kind of surprises and twists are in store for us this season. Maybe we'll see some new faces or some old ones returning. Maybe we'll see some major changes or some familiar traditions. Maybe we'll see some happy endings or some heartbreaking losses. Whatever happens, I'm sure it will be an emotional and memorable season for all of us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.